Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, our final trip, summer trip, is stopping on taxes. So, the topic of taxes is our last trip down this summer road trip that we've been going on this month in July. So, I know taxes is everyone's favorite subject. And it's a subject where everyone wants to know, well, how can I save on taxes? How can I not pay taxes? And as you can see, I keep using the word save. So there's no avoidance. You cannot avoid taxes. Everyone has to pay some type of taxes, whether that's city, state, county, whatever. Everyone has to pay taxes. Our goal should be to minimize our tax liability. That should be our goal, is to minimize our tax liability. So I'm going to give you 6 simple steps to save on taxes, and they may sound pretty simple, but they really are. They're just, really practical tips that your organization can implement. So, number one, keeping your books organized. So, we talked about this month and talked about it probably, throughout the years. You have to keep your books organized. And what I mean by that, making sure the bank reconciliations are completed, making sure you're working with an accounting professional to review, making sure assets are recorded, making sure your loans are recorded correctly, making sure the bank feeds are updated. All those things regarding keeping your books organized, all of the record keeping, making sure your documents are stored, all of that good stuff. Then number two is using accounting tools. We talked about that also this month. Accounting tools such as using an accounting software, using your calendar to keep track of what needs to be done regarding your accounting, when things need to be paid. Do I need to create this invoice? So really utilizing the tools that you're either paying for, or utilizing some of the free tools to help you keep organized and keep your books organized. Then number three, reviewing your financial statements. And this is where you should be working with an accounting professional to help you interpret the financial statements, helping you understand, okay, what's going on. Because how I describe financial statements, there's layers to financial statements. So, of course, we have the three financial statements, but behind those financial statements are additional reports, additional data that you need to look at so you understand what's going on. Then also, this is a common thing that is missed: tax planning. You need to schedule a tax planning session with your tax professional. And this is where you're just discussing what's going on. They're asking you, okay, what is revenue looking like? They run actually estimates through their tax software, and they can actually estimate how much taxes that may be owed or refunded to you. So a you that is so key to minimizing taxes, is a tax planning session. So you definitely want to do that throughout the year. Then also file your taxes. File your taxes. There's many business owners, they just don't file their taxes. And when you don't file your taxes, of course, the interest, fees, all of that start to add up. So make sure you file your taxes in a timely manner. Then lastly, hire an accounting professional. So there could be an instance where you have a bookkeeper, but they're not a tax professional. So go look for a tax professional. You may have an accountant who only, who does your bookkeeping, but they don't do your taxes. So this is where you have to figure out, okay, what's the best option for your organization. You really need an accounting team, someone who specializes in taxes, someone who can help you interpret the financial statements, and then someone who can help maintain keeping those books um, orderly and on a weekly and monthly basis. So as you probably have heard, not having neatly books, not keeping your record keeping, it can cause a lot of time, a lot of stress. And then what usually happens is you're putting so much energy and time trying to catch up during tax season. You feel overwhelmed. And this is where things get missed. Because if your tax professional has to quickly do your taxes, they're not going to go through everything and really say, okay, you know what? We can do a deduction here. But if you're keeping things throughout the year organized, scheduling a tax planning session, meeting with the accounting professional to make sure everything is coded correctly, you will have a peace of mind. And then also, you'll just have confidence in your business and also in yourself. A lot of business owners really, once they start really seeing that there's a system to this and they feel that okay, it's organized, it really boosts your confidence. So if you are in a situation where you're uneasy, um, where you are, you don't feel like you really know what's going on financially with your organization, contact us for a free consultation, and we'll see how we can help you. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.